Now you may have heard of products like the Samsung Smart Fridge or the Samsung Smart TV, but are you ready for the Samsung Smart Fire Alarm? That's right, when your fire alarm detects smoke, you can have access to a full touchscreen, and you can even connect it to your phone. And you can even play games like Minecraft.
Yo, dog, yo, this be Dream here, and today we're gonna find out if I can beat Minecraft while my friends are trying to kill me at the same time. And but this time there's gonna be a twist. You see, this time my house is currently burning down, so yeah. I really should have subscribed to IDX Toycat, shouldn't I?